Hello and welcome to the 8th ornament in our Christmas ornament series, our Craftmas series, if you will. This ornament is made out of some jean scraps and it's some adorable hearts. So let's jump into this tutorial, and as always, I know I've been saying it so far, check out those links down below. They are some fun coupon codes for you that will help you with your Christmas shopping, and it does help me in the process. So I appreciate your support. All right, let's jump into this fun tutorial.
Good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance.
So what do you think? Pretty easy, right? All right, so this was number 8 out of 24 ornaments, so definitely check out the playlist if you missed a few. And as always, I hope I'll see you back here next time. Bye for now.